Hi friends, my name is Sheba and welcome to my channel. This is a hairstyle video and I'm going to show you 5 easy hairstyles. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is my natural hair. I didn't use any heat on it. So now I'm going to use this L'Oreal serum. I'm going to use a pump. It makes my hair silky and it gives a little shine to it. So let's go to the first hairstyle.
First, take half of your hair like this and pin it up. After that, take the remaining hair and make it into a ponytail so that it doesn't get in the way while braiding the top portion. Now let go of the top portion. Now take a small part and divide into 3 sections. It's just doing a French braid. Now take the right section and cross it over the middle section, left section over the middle section, and add the section from the side and add that to the right section, and do the same with the left section too. And repeat it till you reach the crown of your head. And I secure the hair with the elastic. Now let go of the lower part of the hair and loosen the braid a little bit to give the full look. Here I took a small section from the ponytail and wrapped around the pony so that the elastic wouldn't be visible. Now this is the finished look.
Now let's go to hairstyle number 2.
This is a very easy hairstyle, which is called half French updo. To achieve this hairstyle, divide your hair into half. Now start twisting your hair towards the left. It's all up to you how many times you want to twist, but see that the twist is very tight. Now take a bobby pin and pin it right under the twist. To complete this look, I semi-curl my hair using straight. Finally, I use some clear gel to keep the look classy and chic. This is the finished look. Here comes the third hairstyle. I took a middle parting for this look. You can even do a side parting. Start twisting from the front and keep adding the hair while twisting. Keep twisting till the end. Now pin it to the back of the head. Now repeat it on the other side. I'll loosen up a bit to make it fuller. Here I preferred curling my hair for this look. If you don't want to curl, then you can skip this step. And it's done. It's such an easy hairstyle. I named this fourth one as romantic twist. Initially take a middle parting. Now divide your hair as so. Start twisting your hair towards the back. Pull it up a little bit to give it some volume and pin it to the back of your head. Do the same on the other side. Take another section right in front of the previous twist. Clip the front section so that it stays in place. Start twisting the second section and pin it right under the first twist. Repeat it on the other side. Do the same with the front two sections. This is a good hairstyle for a romantic date night. As a Valentine's Day is coming, this hairstyle seems to be the perfect one. I took some hair from the side of the ear and curled it to make the look more romantic. I love adding some accessories to this hairstyle. So I use this flower pins to finish the look. In the daytime, you can go without these accessories. But in the night, I advise you to add some sparkle by using accessories like these to pop up. So here is the finished look. Woo! We reached to the final one. I call this as a fake waterfall braid. First, take a side parting. Take a small section like this and start doing a regular braid. The braid do not have to be too tight or too loose. Use an elastic to secure it towards the end. Make a hole through the braid and stick your fingers through. Take a small piece from the front and pull it through the loop. Make another hole right under the first one and pull another section through. It's all up to you where you want to stop. I'm not going to go all the way down the braid. After I've reached the desired length, I would place it under the hair like so and pin it. So that's it for this hairstyle.
So these are the 5 hairstyles which can be done in 1 or 2 minutes. So do let me know what's your favorite hairstyle in the comment section down below. And there's more stuff coming up, so don't forget to subscribe. If you try any of these hairstyles, don't forget to tag me in your Instagram account. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.